Hi, my name is Spencer.
Madeline.
Jackson.
And Jake.
And this is our Washington Island School experience. The ROV program is, well, it stands for Remote Operated Vehicle. And the ROV program is where we build an ROV.
First, what we did was we sketched out our plan and then we built it afterwards.
We're building a frame and then putting the frame together, which is PVC pipe, and then we're adding motors onto the frame.
It's pretty much where you're making like a little submarine just out of PVC pipes and these little engine things that go up and down and stuff.
This is truly a STEM experience for the students. They're doing a science experiment around buoyancy and balance, and they very quickly learn that an underwater robot doesn't work very well if it either floats or it sinks. It has to stay neutrally buoyant.
They're learning a concept by physically doing it. So we are incorporating a lot of the math. They've had to measure, they've had to add to make sure they didn't go over their 10 feet. We've had to put that arts in there because they had to design it a certain way. Science, obviously, because we are learning about neutral buoyancy. We are learning about soldering and circuitry, so there's our technology and our engineering in there, and then the robotics of actually hooking up the motors, using the remotes and driving them in the pool. So this is a huge opportunity.
It was very enjoyable and I liked it because we got to do things that are hands-on, and I enjoy hands-on as well as designing.
The mission at the end, I've written up a little mission that has them sampling and trying to catch balls instead of jellyfish and things like that around the pool, and they have to work as a team. So it's building all of these skills that are going to be important really in their jobs when they graduate from high school and beyond.
It was really fun because we ended up making like these little submarines that can go underwater and scoop up rings, which is pretty fun.
I think this was really fun because we actually get to build something in science class, and I'm thinking I'm going to keep on doing it.
They had such a wonderful time this year, and we're looking at taking ROV Trident out and checking out the shipwrecks on Plum Island, or taking it out and watching them repair the underwater cable or replace it. And it's not just going to end with our launch date. There are going to be other things that tie into the ROV program that we're really excited to continue.